So let's start, for example, from the area of health and well-being. We know that people feel better when they are exposed to culture. What do you expect to happen? That they will take less medicines and they will stay less in the hospital. So let's imagine that you are able to drop by, let's say, 5% the hospital and medicalization bill for elderly people. What is the impact on public finance? It's enormous. And you can use this to finance all the culture you want, and you can use this to improve the quality of life of your citizens by spending less. Think, for example, of innovation. What is the problem with innovation? The obstacle is not the inventor, but the other people, because people are scared by new ideas. And what we see is that the countries in which the level of cultural participation is higher are also the countries that perform better from the point of view of innovation performance. So culture is extremely important for us because it makes the unfamiliar normal. And the same is true for social cohesion, another crucial area. One of the most important aspects of culture and cultural participation is that it's able to restore the sense of self-worth of people. The joint experience of cultural participation with people from different backgrounds helps a lot to create a bridge. You know, these examples are all examples in which culture creates value, not because you sell or buy something, but because you change behavior. Environmental sustainability. Culture can help Europe manage the green transition. Cultural participation is the best predictor on how good people are at waste recycling. What is a way to consume less material goods? To consume more experiences rather than more physical goods. And these experiences, in many cases, are cultural experiences. So again, you know, there is also a very strong link between circular economy and cultural participation. So in a nutshell, Europe is understanding very well, and in this moment is at the frontier, at the global level, that social impact of culture can be transformational, can really be a game changer. We need cities and territories that start exploring systematically these new possibilities, not simply just launching one project in culture and well-being, but really rethinking the many possible ways in which culture can make the difference on the topics that are important for citizens. And this cannot be done simply by just calling some experts. This has to be done also with the active participation and collaboration of citizens. And this new strategy does not see culture as a side dish, but as a main course. But we are still at the stage of experimentation. So there is a strong payoff today for the innovation leaders. So Finland has been a leader in innovation on so many different grounds. And I think that this is really the ideal moment to go for culture. So my invitation is to take culture seriously, but in a very concrete sense. So really understanding how culture can make a difference from the social impact point of view, imagining specific projects that address the problems that you have on the agenda, for example, in terms of isolation of the elderly, or in terms of promoting better innovation skills for young people, and so on and so forth, as we have seen so far. Okay, so that's it, because my minutes are over, and I look forward to our discussion. Thank you very much.